So you want MetaMask? Let's do it. I'm here in Google Chrome. If you go to your extensions, manage your extensions, it'll bring you to this page. If you select this menu over here in the upper left hand corner, it'll show you Open Chrome Web Store. And then in here you can search for MetaMask and it comes right up. Add to Chrome, add extension. Turn on sync. This is going to pop up, but you don't have to sign in at all. Alright, let's get started. Create a wallet. I agree. Set a password. This is just a password to basically access your wallet. If you're doing this on your phone, you can do biometrics or whatever you want. Alright, securing your wallet. Before you continue, watch this video. Secret recovery phrases are important, so definitely be very careful what you do with this. Make sure you put your phrase in a very safe place. So I'm going to just take a picture of it basically and save it. And we're going to continue. And now I'm going to verify the phrase, right? So now I'm going to verify the phrase that it made for me. There we go. Now we're done. And congratulations. You passed the test. Make sure you put it somewhere safe. They're always going to keep you up to date to new things that are going on. And by default, you are on the Ethereum network. Now, to change this, go ahead and go to the link that's in the description of this video or listed on this video somewhere. It's a Binance.org link, and you'll be able to get the RPC link right here. This is basically allowing you to connect to a node for Binance Smart Chain. So when you go back to your MetaMask, wrong thing. Got to go to Settings, Networks, and then add a network. The network name is Binance, and we're going to paste in the RPC URL right there. Chain is 56, symbol BNB, and the Explorer is BSC scan. And there we go. Now, as you can see it switched from Ethereum to Binance because now we're on Binance, and we're going to need to use Binance coin to even operate on Binance network. Same way it works on Ethereum, you need to have Ethereum for them to even operate and verify your transactions. So now that we're on Binance, we can actually, let's go to DEX Tools, launch the application. Alright, we're going to select this drop-down menu right here and go to BNB Smart Chain. We'll go to Pair Explorer. And now we're swapping BNB, wrapped BNB Binance coin, for DEX Tools, which is their own cryptocurrency. And DEX Tools is a pretty good place to exchange and swap and track things. It's a pretty good website. So this is a good example of even doing a swap. You just need to connect your wallet, and you connect, and now the wallet's connected. Now, obviously, it's telling me we don't have any of this. Same with this, we don't have any Binance coin, so we can't trade at all. But if we did, we'd be able to trade it. And that's how you use MetaMask. And when it comes to adding a new token, such as the stablecoin BUSD, Binance stablecoin, we could just go to Google. Let's just search for Binance BUSD BEP20 contract address. As you can see here, the first link at nomics.com, we have the contract address We can even view it on the Binance Smart Chain Explorer. And it says Binance pegged BUSD token. So from there we can just paste that contract address in here. It automatically brings it up. So it automatically brings it up, BUSD, and now BUSD is in our wallet here. And we can also rename the account in account details. You can click this little pencil button and we will name it My Wallet. So yeah, that's how you do that. That's MetaMask. And if you want to receive any Binance coin, you can simply just click account details. Someone can scan this QR code and send you something. Or you can copy this public address here and people can send you Binance coin and BEP20 or Binance wrapped tokens to this address and you'll be able to easily get them. So it's as easy as that. Stick around, and if you're interested in Trust Wallet, that video will be out right after this one. So yeah, talk to you soon.